So today's topic will be environmental science, and I'm gonna talk about building pathology, building defect, decay and their maintenance, and my case study. Hi guys, welcome to my video. My name is Hao. I'm a student of architecture studying in USM in Penang, Malaysia. The purpose of me doing this video is because this video is actually one of my environmental science assignment, which we need to show our understanding on environmental science and building pathology. What is building pathology? Before we get into the definition of building pathology, what is pathology? Pathology actually comes from a medical term which defined as the systematic studies of disease by understanding the causes, symptoms, and treatments, and this term apply the same meaning when it comes to building constructions. We need to know the problems that causes the building failures by looking at their symptom. For example, water leakage, surface crack, and moldy surface. And we need to identify the causes so that we can propose a remedy in order to solve the problems. Building pathology is the study of building defect, decay, and the building performance in order to develop a suitable remedial and management solutions. And there are also other definitions of building pathologies, and one of the definitions are identification, investigation, and diagnosis of building defect in the existing building. What is building defect? A defect may be considered to be a failing or shortcoming in the function, performance, sanitary, or the user requirement of a building, and it might manifest itself within structure, fabrics, services, or other facilities of the affected building. For the easier understanding, I'm gonna show you guys some of the building defected picture of the building that I study. The building that I study is the building of Housing, Building and Planning, Block E08 located in USM.
There are a few building defects that can be found in this building. The first building defect is rot and mold or moldy surface. Rot and mold are caused by the decay generated by both hot and wet conditions, weathering and staining, and improper maintenance. Rot and mold allow the fungus to spread, and this problem also will corrupt the material of the building and weakening the strength of the building. To solve this problem, continuous and constant monitoring need to be done. A larger overhang and a gutter need to be provided to prevent the rainwater from continuously wet the surface, and we can clean it and after that repair the surface. Next, damaged gutter. Damaged gutter normally caused by the clogging of water flow due to the waste product and rubbish, climax variable, weathering and staining, and improper maintenance. Damaged gutter can cause the water to enter the building and cause more building defect. It allows wetness on the wall, stagnant water in the building, and cause fungus growth and filling of the finisher. The solution of this problem is continuous and constant monitoring and maintenance. Damage shielding is caused by the unprofessional workmanship, climax variables, weathering and staining, or improper maintenance. The damage shielding may cause water leakage by allowing the wetness to enter the building. In order to solve this problem, we need to continuous and constant monitoring and repairment, or change the selection material to the material that can withstand hot and wet conditions. After that, we have cracked and moldy floor at the rooftop. This normally caused by the acidic reaction from the acid rain, climax variables, weathering and staining, physical damage, and constantly stagnant of water. This allows filtration of water to enter the building and cause water leakage. It is also weakening the strength of the material and allow the growth of fungus, which also corrosive to the material of the building. In order for us to solve this problem, we can build an overhang to prevent floor for further water contact, apply vapor barrier, apply plaster filling, and constant and continuously maintenance. Water leakage. As I mentioned, there are a lot of building defects that will cause water leakage, and normally water leakage happen because of piping issue, improper maintenance, and poor workmanship. Water leakage encourages the growth of fungus and allow the corruption and decay of building fabric, and it also damages the equipment. To solve this problem, continuous and constant monitoring or maintenance is needed. repair and maintenance on the piping, and repair of gypsum board. Lastly, damaged drain. This problem is very common and usually caused by the piping system issue, improper maintenance, poor workmanship, and rubbish that clog the drainage system. And this problem will cause stagnant water at the drainage and become the habitat of the mosquito. And this also causes inefficient of water flow and bad odor, and also will allow flood to occur. The solution to solve this problem is continuously and constantly monitoring, clean the drainage in a fixed duration, and repair the damaged drain. That's it for my video. Thank you for watching, and I wish you guys have a great day. Stay safe and stay healthy.